Alright YouTube, so I was driving along the other day and went to squirt the windscreen with the old wiper juice and yeah, nothing came out. So I've had a little bit of an investigation. I can't hear any noise, which makes me think it's the pump. I've been looking through the Haynes manual to try and find out which fuse the pump is, but it doesn't seem to have one. So a bit of the old Google research, and it seems probably that the fuse is the same fuse for the wipers. So the wipers are still going, so probably just leaves the pump then. So yeah, today's job is to get the front right wheel off, get the wheel arch. Not sure if I have to take it completely off or whether just enough to get my head in and see if I can replace the wiper pump. So I bought one just off eBay. It was like £10. So yeah, hopefully it's that. So I'm feeling a bit stupid because I didn't realise there's those two plastic bits of trim on the bumper below the headlights. I didn't realise they were headlight washers. I always thought it was a bit strange that they had these two plastic crappy bits of trim there, because one of mine is quite faded, so I imagine it's been replaced in the past. So I thought, oh, can I get a new one? And then I found a video on YouTube which showed them actually coming out and spraying the headlights. Now, I'm pretty sure mine have never worked, because whenever I do the windscreen wiper spray, I can never see anything coming up at the front. So I've got a feeling either someone's taking the fuse out or they just don't work. So there we are, we learn something new every day. There we are, the wheel is off. Just got to unping all these little clips so I can see what kind of access I've got to the little reservoir. There we go, first clip broken. It's a good job I've got about 100 of these. Several broken clips later and 3 screws. You can now see pump down there. So we'll try and get the connector off the top. Finally got the electrical plug off. I couldn't tell which way this needed to go to release it. When you push it upwards, it moves that, which hooks onto a little bit on the side of the pump. So yeah, when you want to remove it, you push that kind of inwards and upwards. I just pried it upwards at the same time. So I don't think this has ever been off before. I didn't realise the old sort of rubber seal would have this filter on it, because the new one's not got one. So I've cut it off and wedged it onto the new one. So in hindsight, I would have been a bit more careful taking the old one out, so I could have reused it. There we are, can't change that now. So yeah, I've managed to wedge that onto this one. Whether it will stay or not, seems pretty solid, but it'll probably come off next time I pull it out, but there we are. So there we are guys, just another quick video again. All sorted now. At least I can see out the windscreen now. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you can be notified when a new video drops. And chuck a comment down below. and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.